Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable to or carbon copy labels in the mail on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, or maybe let's now go to the mail, and as you can see we do not have any labels right here. So if you want to have those labels, enable them, you want to open settings, swipe down, then go to the mail, tap on that one, and then go to message list and enable show to or carbon copy labels. Once you turn this feature on, you are going to get those labels right here. So now, as you can see, you do have the labels 2, and if any of that was a carbon copy, it should be here, the CC right here. So this is how you can turn on those labels in the mail on iPhone. I think this is pretty useful feature to have on, because you can see if the mail goes only to you or to any other persons just from the mails list, the mail view, inbox view. You can check it, and obviously if someone sends you a black carbon copy, you are not going to see it either if it was the black carbon copy or if it wasn't. So, but anyway, this is a pretty useful feature to have it on. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!